Hey there, campers! I'm Kim from Kim's Cozy Campers in the beautiful Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania. Every Tuesday, I take you on a tour of one of our amazing RVs that you can rent for your next adventure. Whether you're dreaming of a lakeside getaway, a mountain escape, or your first festival experience, we've got the perfect camper for you. And yes, we even deliver and set up within 60 miles of Lake Wallenpaupack. So get ready for RV Tour Tuesday. It starts now. This week on RV Tour Tuesday, we're showcasing the Cozy Value Voyager, our Colemen Lantern 17B. The perfect lightweight companion for your cross-country dreams. At just 21 feet and under 3,000 pounds dry weight, this compact adventurer is perfect for SUVs and half-ton pickups. Meet our most versatile and budget-friendly camper. Recently returned from a 2-month cross-country journey, this pet-friendly beauty proves that amazing adventures don't need a huge investment. And yes, your furry friends stay free in this rental. Perfect for first-time RVers, solo explorers, couples, and small families ready to explore all 50 states and Canada. Step inside to discover a thoughtfully designed space with a few cabinets and ample hidden storage throughout. The dinette converts to extra sleeping space, while the 2-burner stove and 3.3 cubic foot electric refrigerator makes meal prep a breeze. The in-wall 8,000 BTU air conditioner keeps you cool in the summer, while the crystal fireplace provides cozy warmth in the winter, all running on a simple 30-amp connection. And here's something magical. Glow-in-the-dark dots create a stunning galaxy of stars on the ceiling, making bedtime an enchanting experience for little ones. These twin bunks are perfect for kids or extra storage, each supporting up to 300 pounds. At night, the ceilings transform into a starry sky, creating the perfect dreamy atmosphere for peaceful sleep. The queen bed sits above the freshwater tank, a clever design that allows for true 4-season camping. Whether you're chasing summer sunshine or winter wonderlands, this camper keeps your adventures flowing. A spacious bathroom with a large walk-in closet and a 6-gallon hot water heater gives you those essential comforts of home. As we step outside, you'll find a 10-foot electric awning, creating the perfect outdoor living space. With 27 gallons of fresh water and 28 gallons of each gray and black tanks, you're set for your adventure. A standout feature is our flow-integrated drain-down system, which uses compressed air to easily flush out the RV's water system, making cold weather camping a breeze. manual stabilizing jacks, and electric tongue jack ensure easy setup. The included backup camera makes hitching and towing stress-free, perfect for first-time RVers. The Cozy Value Voyager, proof that big adventures come in efficient packages. That's a wrap on this week's RV Tour Tuesday. Thanks for touring with Kim's Cozy Campers. Don't forget to like and follow for next week's RV Tour Tuesday, where another amazing adventure awaits. Until then, happy camping!